Hey, what's up everybody? 2012 Nissan Murano. I was going to give you a quick tip on how you could have Bluetooth in your car if your Murano doesn't come with it. Now this is the radio with navigation, and it comes with Bluetooth function in the radio, but not all of them had this setup. Some of them don't have the Bluetooth option. So what you could do is come over here to where your USB port is, down here, and get a product called HomeSpot. Here it is on Amazon. I will link it below. It's only about 27 bucks. Comes with wires and a Bluetooth receiver. And basically what we're going to do is just hook up these wires in between the USB. And with the USB port right here, run the USB cord into the HomeSpot right here, and then the audio jack out into these RCA wires, the left and right audio right there. They're color coded, so you can see which one to put in. Here's what it would look like with the wires that come with the HomeSpot, and then also you could get the Amazon basic wires for a different type of setup. And then every time your car turns on, it will turn on the HomeSpot, your phone will connect to that, and then you could have Bluetooth audio, and you'll be good to go. Next video. Guys, that's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just some products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off AUXITO.com promo code. Now AUXITO has a bunch of products, but what they're mostly known for is their really good aftermarket headlights. So if you got an older car, 80s, 90s, 2000s, even a newer car, if it has a bulb, they probably got an upgraded bulb for you. You may have seen aftermarket LED headlights on Amazon, but the thing, I'm not going to say any names, but the thing is they have a lot of issues. Sometimes they start to flicker after a few months, or they get hot and the LED burns off. AUXITO headlights come with integrated fans and modules that control all that stuff. So these are plug and play, super easy to put in. These are available on Amazon. You can get them there. However, if you go to the website and use the promo code GearmoAuto, you can get 15% off. It's really easy. All you got to do is go to the website on your phone or your computer, and then put in what kind of car you have, what year, make, and model, you know, that stuff, and then it'll display to you all the available lights for your vehicle. You can get headlights, tail lights, interior lights. Highly recommend getting some good interior lights. You'll be surprised how bright it is. So just type GearmoAuto in at the checkout and you'll get 15% off.
Pretty good.